Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your credit card or your bank card with Bank of America app. Say, for instance, your debit card gets stolen or get lost, and you want to just turn it off until you find it, or you want to lock it. It's pretty simple to do with this app. So first, what you want to do is log on to your Bank of America with your app. So you log on. And once you log on, as you can see, I got my Bank of America checking account, savings account, and credit card. Click on your checking account where your debit card is linked to, and you want to go down. And when you go down, you're going to see debit card settings where it says lock, unlock card, order a new or replacement. You click on it. And once you click on it, you see right here, it got my debit card. You just hit lock. It say, are you sure you want to lock? You just hit lock card, and now your debit card is locked. So if somebody try to use it, the transactions would be denied. So maybe a day or two later, you find your card, you can hit go back to this same spot and hit this unlock button right here. And what it's going to do is unlock your debit card. Now, I've called Bank of America about the credit card. You cannot lock or unlock your credit card. So if your credit card get lost or stolen, you have to just replace it or call them and tell them it's been stolen, and they'll lock it or they'll replace it. But you cannot just go to your app and lock and unlock your credit card, which I don't understand. Maybe somebody from Bank of America, you see this video, we need a thing where you can lock and unlock your credit card. So for instance, we let our kids or somebody borrow our credit card and they go out spending. You told them to spend $100. They start spending $100, then $200. So now what you do, you can't just go on here with your bank app and put the lock or unlock. So you have to call them and tell them, hey, the card has been stolen, or tell your kids, hey, put this credit card up. So that's how you lock and unlock your credit card. So right now it's unlocked. And there's another way that you can lock and unlock your debit card. See up here in the top right where you see those three little lines, a little red dot, you can click on it. And you can go down here where it says type or ask a question. So I can hit this red button. I'm gonna see lock my debit card.
If you lock your debit card, you won't be able to use it to make purchases or ATM withdrawals. Transactions made prior to locking the card won't be affected. Would you like to continue?
So I could hit right here, yes, lock card, or no, unlock card. So I'm gonna just hit the button, say yes.
You're all set. Your card is now locked. You can unlock it anytime with my help in the app or in online banking.
So right now it is locked. So if I go back, I'm gonna click on my checking account. I'm gonna go down here to where it says debit cards and settings. Click on it. And you see right there, it is locked. So I'm gonna go up here in the top. I can just hit the button to unlock it, but I'm gonna just go up here to this red dot. And I'm gonna type unlocked debit card. And hit the little red button. Let's see, your card is now unlocked. So my card is unlocked. So if I go back to my checking account and go where it says debit card settings, you see it's unlocked. So if I want to lock it again, I just hit the button. But that's how easy it is. But like I said, we need a way to lock and unlock the credit cards. So anybody from Bank of America, please make this active. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.